Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Yes, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hello, check, check. Hello, check. Yesterday we have taken a trade over here. Look at this trade. Yesterday we have taken a trade over here. So it has not reached 1:2. It has reached 1:1, but it has not reached 1:2. Almost it has went here. So where I have tried from year to year, when I got the target of 1:1, then I tried this to up to here. Okay, so now let's see today's market. Okay, still it is in a bullish mode. If I go to a day time frame, so from here it has taken a resistance, right? Yesterday also from here it has taken a resistance. Now again it is almost here. In day calendar you can see it, 9 EMA is coming above 15 EMA. Yes, hi Abhishek. So it is coming above 15 EMA, then this will be a bullish. So now I'll shift to 1 hour. Yeah, now I'm shifting it to 1 hour. You can see it 1 hour. It is taking support at 9 and 15 EMA, right? Yesterday we have taken over here. Again, now it has taken a resistance over here and it is coming down. Now I will shift it to 15 minutes. So here what we can see is 200 above, it is trading above 200 EMA, then it is bullish in 15 minutes, and the candle came below 15 EMA. So it might take some resistance over here and it might go, but it has given nice move here. If I mean same strategy if I apply here, same strategy if I here, see, look at this. If I draw the trend line over here, then the breakout, like 200 moving average above, it is trading 200 moving average above, then we'll take trade over here, long position, stop loss below these candles. So 1:2 target, easy, right? Yeah, now also it is a right chance. So it is taking support of 200 EMA. If it breaks below, then we'll take a bearish trades, or else if it breaks above, then we'll take a bullish trade. Because 9 EMA is below means until and unless if it goes above, then until and unless it go above, then we cannot take a bullish trades. Yeah, so it should go above this. I mean the candle should close above this, then we'll take a bullish trades, or this. Below we have to get it, this breakdown. Yes, it is taking a bullish. See, you can see the wick over here. From here you can see this, the trend is in uptrend. So this has become low, then high, higher high, higher low, higher low, and this low has not broken it. I mean, this low has not broken down. Still it is in a bullish. Again it has given a low. Now it is going high and higher high. And you can see it, there is no so much selling pressure from here where we have taken yesterday trade, right? From here there is so much of selling pressure. Let's see today if anything news. USD, it's not that much important, all are positive. See, USD, but not that much impactful. If it is red zone, then only it will be impactful, like this. Now let's concentrate on this trade. If I shift to 1 minute, so 1 minute you can see that there is support. It is taking a support over here. See, this high, this is high, so equal high is happening, so it is not breaking out. So today so many people are there in Indian market. I know today there is a month end expiry and so much of volatile. Today the Nifty has become a doji candle in daytime frame, but from morning it has moved so much of volatility because of India VIX. So please give a like so that it will get notification to other people who wants to learn crypto trading. Please give a like. Okay, I'll shift over 5 minutes. So we have to wait for the opportunity. Before year it was there. Look at this move, and here you can see it here. But this is not. This is trading below 20 EMA, right? See, if it comes 20 EMA below 200 EMA, then we should take bearish trades. You can look for this. See, bearish entries, and here also like trend line, bearish breakdown. See, it has given bearish completely. See, you can trial it from here. So much of bearish. Again now it is in a bullish trade. We have to wait until this 200 EMA breakdown, then only we have to take the trade, this breakdown. So if I see it in 1 hour, there is completely it is in a bullish trend, but now it has giving a sideways and bearish. From here there is so much of resistance, you can see it over here, but it is taking support. If we breaks down, then it might go below. Yes, now it is pausing. It is in a sideways mode now. Let's wait and watch. If this cross above, then we'll take a bullish. If this cross below, then we'll take a bearish. But here some resistance is there, late or here. You can see it over here, there is a resistance. And here there will be so much of liquidity. So this liquidity they will take and they will move up. Here so much of liquidity. So I'm waiting for this same move. Yeah. So in 1 minute, if it closes above this, we'll take an entry. But where it is lagging means, see it is below 15 EMA, 9 EMA is below 15 EMA. So it might again reverse. So I can show these patterns like this. Look at this, it has gone breakout. Okay, let's take a trade over here. If this closes above this, let's take a trade in 1 minute. Stop loss is below this. Still it is in 22 seconds. Simple logic, stick to the rules. Yes, I have entered it here. And my target is 1:2. 1:2. So this is here, there is a risk. One is to 2 is the target. Hi. Hello, madam. Yeah, so I have entered already here. So the risk is $3.77 and the target is over this resistance, like 1:2, almost $9.5, or else we have entered it here, right? Take it here. 2.5 target. We'll try it today. If this gives massive result, then $9 to 1 is to, if it comes 1:1, so if it comes 1:1, I'll trial this. One is to one is here, so I'll just mark this line. 1:1, so the target is 1:2 or 2.5. We'll trial it. So that our target is over here. Yeah, now entry is set and the stop loss as set and the target as set. Now we have to wait and watch what will happen. So if I look into 15 minutes, it is above 9 EMA. So this trade is gonna move up. It may go up also. See, it is taking support here, then it took a liquidity over here and it is moving up. And if I shift to 1 hour, in 1 hour also it is taking support at 9 and 15. Yeah, it is giving a good move. Yeah, it is heading towards 1:1. Yeah, within one candle you can see it. One candle it has given almost 139 points. You can see it over here, 139 points. It's a nice move, right? Yeah. Yes, now it is heading towards 1:1. Yes, please like the video. We'll trail it, or else if this breakout happens, no, I think so. There is so much of selling pressure here. 1, 2, 3. Now also the selling pressure might come, or else 1, 2, 3, and fourth time it might go, or fourth time it might resist over here. We'll see in 15 minutes. Yeah. I think, see this trend line in 15 minutes. Sorry. This trend line has broken, right? Like so many people would have entered here. 1:2, same entry here. Stop loss might be here or here below this 6 and the target. It has almost reached the target, and it has taken a stop loss over here. Now overall there is a resistance, right? So it is coming down. See in 5 minutes also, so it has given a good breakout, but you can see this candle, there is a selling pressure over here, but it is trading above 9 and 15 EMA. If 9 and 15 EMA takes supports, then it might go bullish. There are so much of sellers over here. Sellers is dominating. You can see over this there is so much of wick like gravestone doji. In 5 minutes also still 9 EMA is not crossed above. 9 EMA, if it crosses above, then only it will go bullish. 9 EMA. See, now it is, if this candle gives good green candle, then the 9 EMA crosses above 15 EMA. Yes, good evening, sir. Good evening. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Ravi, sir. Yes, I have already taken a trade over here. This breakout. This breakout. 1 second, I will show it. This breakout candle. I have entered over here above this. So my stop loss is here below this, and the target is 1:1, 1:2, or 1:2.5. Almost it has reached 1:1. Now it is coming down. Let's see. So 9 EM, if 9 EMA closes above, then it might go bullish. I mean, you can see it in a 1 minute time frame. There is so much of selling pressure over here. You can see it over here. There is so much of selling pressure, right? It is now, it is taking a support of 9 EMA, 9 and 15. Here it has given doji and one green candle. Then this will be like morning star pattern. From here it has given very bullish. Let's see here, like if this goes above this, then it might hit my target. Here there is so much of selling pressure. You can see by these candles. See, selling, and selling here also. Now some buyers are coming because there is a support right here, 9 EMA support. So buyers are coming. In 5 minutes also this has given breakout, but this 5 minutes you can see it, and there is a selling pressure. Now still 1 minute 43 seconds. Let's see what this candle happens. See, again the selling pressure is coming. You can see it's still 22 seconds. If this gives good bullish candle, it might go up, but now there is still selling pressure over here. This candle, it will decide. Yeah, again there is a selling pressure. This candle also has closed like doji. It might fall down. From here, see, here from here it has fallen, right? At same place it has went there. It has took liquidity, stop loss acting, then it has fallen down. Again, this next candle also there is so much of selling pressure. You can see it. Let's see it in 1 minute. 1 minute. This candle decides now. It has taken 5 EMS up, 9 EMS support. Here also, like this is 15 EMA. 15 EMA below it is coming. If this takes, I mean, still 3 more seconds, and if this gives bullish, then it might go up, or else it might fall and it might eat my stop loss, because so much of selling pressure. You can see it. The 9 EMA is not closing above 15 EMA. We should stick to the rule. You should develop that psychology. Stick to the rule, develop the psychology. No emotions, no greed. Follow the system, follow the rule. And risk reward. Risk management is very important. Still 2 minutes 30 seconds. Let's see whether it will take support or not. See, now above there is a selling pressure, below there is a buying pressure. If this happens, again it might go up. So same thing happened yesterday's trade. I'll show it here. Same thing happened yesterday's trade over here. We have taken it right yesterday. So there is a selling pressure over here, and again it is a buying pressure. But overall it is in a bullish. Then it went from here to here. So almost my target is here. Almost it has went 1:1. Same thing, buying and selling pressure will come now. See, again it is in a buying pressure. Here selling and buying pressure. Still 1 minute. So it is taking support at 9 and 15 EMA. So you can see it in 15 minutes. It is making a doji. Oh god, if this closes like this doji, then it might fall. It might fall. Wherever the doji takes place, right after bullish green candle, so it might fall. Still 30 more seconds. should not happen doji. So I'll show it wherever the doji. See, after red candle there is a doji, then above. After green candle, then there will be, if it is doji, then it might fall down. I mean, pure doji means there is nothing space. It has closed doji. Let's wait and watch. I think it might fall after doji. Let's stick to the rule. We have already entered. Either we have to take stop loss or we have to take a target. In between there is nothing else because we have already entered. I'll show it whether if it comes doji, then look this here, green candle, doji, then somewhat it has not crossed above this, then it is falling. Let's see in a 1 minute what is gonna happen. Gold and silver is falling. If I shift to gold, see, gold from here it is falling. Bearish trades, bearish. If we draw trend line, bearish. I mean, you can see it, right? If the trend line breaks, so trend line breaks down, trend line breaks, you can trail it in gold. See, now again this is the trend line, right? It has broken down. If this closes below 20 MA, then the gold might fall. Nice trades will get in a gold. Let's concentrate on our trade. Still it is there. See, so much of opportunity here. See, below 200, then very short. You have to short like anything. See, here trend line. Here also there is a trend line, short. Here trend line, short. Here trend line, short. So much of opportunity. We'll see in gold also. If this closes below this, we'll open one more web. One is Bitcoin and one is will trade in gold. So I'll off this. Yeah. So 5 minutes, we'll shift to 5 minutes. If this closes below this, then we'll take an entry in gold. Short entry. Stop loss is above this. Oh, so much of stop loss. So leverage is only 1:100. stop loss is huge and also the target might come huge here. Okay, so it is heading towards 1:1. Yeah, nice move, nice move. If I get 1:1, I will shift my stop loss to cost. That is a better idea. Let's see whether this will cross this wick or not, because I thought this will be this is a doji, right? It might come here and later on it might fall, but we have already entered. We have to stick to the rule. That's it. We should not exit and we should not trade opposite. Now we are bullish. That's it. We have already entered. We have to, at any cost, we have to take stop loss or target, or else we have to wait until that. Yes, please like the video. Please like the video. Yeah, now it is going towards 1:2. I hope you are getting nice learnings from this. Please subscribe to my channel. If anyone has not liked it, please like and subscribe to it. Now 1:1 as given. I will shift my stop loss. See, this is my stop loss, right? I will shift my stop loss to 1 cost. Now my trade is completely risk free. We'll see in a gold. Gold is not moving yet. Gold, it might take correction, it might not go up, but we'll see whether it will cross above this or not. If this crosses above this means it might come up here, then we'll take a bullish trades here, keeping a stop loss, heading towards the target. Now let's see this, concentrate on this. Yes, thank you for liking video. And below this, if it closes, then the gold might fall, or below this there will be short it. or else above this. As even I am learning this crypto, so it is so much of volatility, right? So we should trade cautious. Every day is a learning process, so we need to focus on the psychology, risk management, and price action, support, resistance, where it is going, what candlestick it is happening. If we follow the rules, then we'll make a huge money in further coming years. I mean, it will be a for long term consistency. My trade is risk free now, so my trade is completely risk free. If it falls down also, I don't lose my capital. So time is almost 10:30. Yesterday also same thing has happened. One is two is here, almost $7.76. Here there is a resistance, right? So it is taking some resistance over here. From here only it has fallen. So only let's see it in 1 minute. 1 minute it is taking support 9 EMA. Here also see it has taken support 9 EMA and closing above that. Below here you can see it, there is like a fake breakdown, and again it is moving up towards the target. Let's play some music.
Powering on.
Now again it is uh, took a resistance. Let's see gold. It is breaking out, it is taking support from past 28th October. From today morning it is falling down. Yeah, this is a good pattern. Whenever this go above this and pull back, this is a pullback retracement, then again if it gives green candle, that it might go up. Let's wait for our target. Now our trade is completely risk free. Okay, another 10 minutes I'll be live. It's already 10:37. This is a nice pattern. Again it will take liquidity over here. It has already taken a liquidity here, and it will take liquidity over here. If I put it in a 15 minutes, there is a fair value gap. We'll tell it as fair value gap. This fair value gap is filling up to here. This is a gap from this candle to this candle low to this candle high. Between there is a gap. It might fill and it might act as resistance also. So I will show this type of pattern over here. Same thing. Yeah, see, this is a fair value gap. Almost it is given here, then it is falling down. Again this fair value gap, so it has come below this. Now again it has gone up here also. This is a fair value gap. It came here and it went up. Another 10 minutes I'll be live. If the target hits, then it is well and good, or else we'll close the trade. I mean, we have already kept the target. If the target hits, then it will book. or else it will end to a cost to cost. Yeah, it is going as we entered the trade, it is going above 1:1. It has taken a stop loss over here, liquidity over here. Or else one thing I'll do it, I'll shift this stop loss to here. At least we'll take some money to home, because this is a resistance zone, right? I'll just shift this stop loss to here. At least 2.3 will take profit and will go if this reverses. Right? Yes, now at least we'll take home to $2.32. If it comes down also, we'll take around $2.32 profits, because this is swing low, right? Swing low, this is higher high, higher low, now it is higher high. Now it might come higher low over here, and it might go up. So that is why I shifted my stop loss to swing low. Yes, it is consolidation over here. Consolidation. Now my there is no risk. I'm getting a profit of $2.32, or else $9.5 if it goes above, or else I will shift my cost to shift my trailing stop loss later, because now it is making a higher low right here. It will at least will take some home. Yesterday we have now almost it has hit to cost. Today like $2.32 is fixed, or else $9.5. In this two, anyone might get the profit. Yes, it is going above. So if it goes above, then we'll shift it trailing stop loss to here. If this goes above here, we'll shift this to here. We'll wait and watch. It is taking so much of bearish candles here from this resistance. Gold, we have, oh, gold has crossed already above this. Nice move in gold. We have forgot. So like the entry was here in gold. Like below this there will be a stop loss. One is to target. But gold still it is in falling mode. I don't know whether it will go up or not. Still it is in a bearish mode, gold. If this falls below this, then short entry for gold. Let's concentrate on our trade. If this crosses above this, then I'll shift my risk to here. I mean $3.6. Okay, so gold is going above, gold is going bullish. Gold might go up now. Our trade, let's stay our trade. Our trade is not going above this. Nice move in gold. Same thing, there is some wicks are coming. It is taking a support here. So it is consolidating here, means like it might not break out, it might fall from here only, because it is taking so much of time. Should not take so much of time here to go up. See, here also it has not taken so much of time. Here also it has not taken so much of time. Here also it has not taken. Or else it might slowly may go up, sudden it might fall. Yeah, okay, it's already time up. Let's, so gold might go up 1:2. Later it might fall. Now it is taking some retracement, because so much it has fallen from here. So much it has fallen. Gold, it is going up, and even Bitcoin. It is consolidating over here. If this breaks only, then it can move up, or else it might fall. It might fall suddenly and take my profit. Okay, let's end the stream over here. Let's see tomorrow what will happen. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye, good night. Close the stream.